What's up, guys? Trey Wong's here. We just got back our slabs, so very excited. I'll start with that. Okay, let's see. Yes. Yep. We need to start, so maybe it's more. What's all? Price increasing more fresh. So that's the I'll charge. Okay, these are two guys, and one of them bodies, and this one thing. That's how first. Oh, big one. Really crazy buttons. Oh, okay. Sorry. And this one, you got a bunch of mission. I was going to start color and annoying. Okay, this was a box down. So we'll talk about this. We'll go. See this. Actually, like what you and no jumps. I just said I don't know for real. So that's hilarious. And then so this is the SEC on the annoying. Ooh, so the 10 is the that's the and then English was free. And the match then 9. Avoided. Let me put like every day. So there. We're going to so hard. So the size. And like. Also, I'm very much balanced something like these. Oh, that's very and then it's also they are very well understood time pressure and then not that. No, you know, also so which are all in it. So that's not so big. It's not very full length. And same with these last. Ooh, get 2 pounds back then. This we first went at was 5 dollars. So I dropped this at 9. See, oh, what they want there into? That was 10 at 9. Good part. With thanks. I got this like you mentioned. You want to say chart, but it's all fun. Just see. What happened? Oh my god, that's ooh, this was the oh, yeah, not getting fun. And it's oh, wait, you doing this and telling this. Then, what so you see that dances. And then the first start. See that's it's all fun. It's really awesome. Oh, you know, 6. And very start. This one, the back and the very three. Oh, then also oh, this one hits the body back. We'll start again. This is only 13. And let's see it. Ooh, unfortunate. And then lastly, I'm going to use the front spot. In the end, we have 9 PSA 10 slabs, 15 PSA 9 slabs, and that 1 PSA 6 slabs with the iron threads. Not our greatest submission, but we should still be above our break-even point. These were submitted back in August of 2025, and we have learned so much since then. All of these slabs will be available at Poga Hobby this Sunday, so see you then, and thank you so much for tuning in.